Welcome to JD Clips. Please enjoy the short versions of our famous videos and keep learning. And don't forget to subscribe.
To get to you. There is, I feel sometimes, Sushant, that in India we tend to overestimate कि भाई ये जो पश्तून पंजाबी जो फ्रिक्शन है ये थोड़ा ज्यादा है। मैं मानता हूँ कि अफगान पश्तूनों में और पाकिस्तानी पंजाबियों में फ्रिक्शन है, पर जहां तक मैंने देखा है पाकिस्तानी पश्तून जो हैं वो सब एक प्रोसेस ऑफ पंजाबाइजेशन हो रहा है, होमोजेनाइजेशन हो रहा है, जहां पश्तूनों को आप गोइंग अप द लैडर दे हैव टू सॉर्ट ऑफ बी बिकम नेचुरलाइज्ड पंजाबीज। एंड देयर इज नो शॉर्टेज ऑफ पश्तून्स जो लीडर भी बन जाते हैं, इमरान खान, याहिया खान, एंड अयूब खान एंड पीपल लाइक दैट। तो आप इसके बारे में क्या समझते हैं?
एक तो ये जो टॉपिक था कि एफपैक हु गेन्स, आपने जो बोला उससे लगता है तो ओनली फोर्टिस एंड मैक्स हॉस्पिटल गेन।
नो, एवरीबॉडी के us।
ओके, बट ऑन द मोर सब्सटेंटिव क्वेश्चन, लुक, जो आप ये कह रहे हैं ना, आई थिंक दिस वाज करेक्ट, could have been correct 10 years back. The Punjabization of the Pashtuns. I think in the last 10 years, there's a massive change which has taken place. So, the Pashtun society, uh, okay, it's something very surprising. The Pakistani Pashtun 10 years back used to have a very, very low opinion of the Afghan Pashtun. So, the Pakistani Pashtun would say कि Afghan Pashtun जो है वो बड़ा बेगैरत है. Uh, that is the term. It's something like if you're in Tamil Nadu, the Jaffna Tamil does not have a very high opinion of the Tamil Nadu Tamil, right? So there was this particular issue in the Pashtun areas in Pakistan until about 10 years back. I think in the last 10 years, a lot has changed. Today, Pashtun society in Pakistan is divided three or four ways. There is the Punjabized Pashtun who sees his future with Pakistan under the dominance of the Punjabi, and he's ready to accept the dominance of the Punjabi. Then there is this new nationalist movement, which is the Pashtun Tahaffuz movement, which has received massive, massive traction in the Pashtun areas. Uh, and it's scary because for the Pakistani state, because these are guys who are completely independent. They are at one level progressive, secular. They allow women to come. Uh, all those good attributes you can give to them. And it's a mass movement, because if you saw what happened just a couple of weeks back when they had this big gathering, Jirga, it was astounding what they managed to achieve. So, this is a second movement which is taking place. A third movement is the radicalized Islamized Pashtun, or for want of a better word, a Talibanized Pashtun. That's the third movement which is taking place. So, the Pashtun society within Pakistan is divided in three or four parts. And then in the Pashtun areas, you have Ayub Khan was not a Pashtun, he was a Hazara. So you have the Hazara area also, which does not identify themselves as the Pashtun. So you have various dimensions which are at play out there. So it is not necessary that what held 10 years back still holds today. Secondly, what the PTM has started doing is that when they give this slogan of Larobar Afghan, basically the guys of the highlands and the guy of the lowlands, we are all the same people, we are all Afghans. Basically, they are also doing the same thing what the Taliban are doing, which is questioning the division of Pashtun territory. They are not asking for secession, at least not openly. And the Taliban are not saying that. The Taliban are saying we don't accept Durand Line, but the Taliban is not striking a claim for the land up to the Indus River. So there are differences, there are nuances out there. My point is that the basic objective of the Taliban is they don't mind how many people die. Look, if they cared about how many people die, they would not have continued to fight for 20 years, right? And Abhijit, my one issue with what you are saying is that, look, it might have turned out the way you are putting it, but to say that the Americans were conspiring for 20 years to bring Taliban in, then why would they throw them out? The Americans accepted the Taliban coming in at a much later date because they were lost the war. They lost the war. Now, when they lost the war, what was the choice before them? They had to hand over power to somebody, so they handed it over to the Taliban. Their choice in Pakistan is not so much India. That their interest in Pakistan is twofold right now. At least that's the impression I get when we talk to the Europeans and the Americans. One is the nuclear issue. Loose nukes going into the hands of the fundos, it's a nightmarish situation. Um, and maybe in Hollywood and Bollywood films, the Americans have a fix on all nuclear assets. I don't think in real life they do. Second problem, and a bigger one, especially for European countries, is if Pakistan collapses, what happens अगर वहां पर एक रिफ्यूजी फ्लो वहां पर जाए ऑलरेडी एक 18 मिलियन सॉरी व्हाट अफगानिस्तान इज व्हाट 40 million now about 40. So look at the kind of wave of people who have gone from Afghanistan towards Europe and the kind of problems it's caused for Europe. Europe does not want a country of 250 million people कि यार 25 करोड़ का अगर देश कोलैप्स करता है, हमारी अपनी चिंता है कि हमारी तरफ आएंगे, लेकिन यूरोपियंस को लगता है कि ये हमारी तरफ आएंगे, तो वो दूसरी चिंता है उनकी। और तीसरी चीज, ये जो एरिया है ना, इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस किस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में है? अब जो नया कॉन्टेक्स्ट शुरू हुआ है उसमें अफगानिस्तान की कोई इम्पोर्टेंस रियली है? लिथियम के बारे में बहुत सुनने में आता है, ठीक है, एवरीबडी सेज कि इट्स द सऊदी अरेबिया ऑफ लिथियम। मैं ये 25 साल से सुन रहा हूँ, आज तक मैंने एक बूंद लिथियम की नहीं देखी वहां से निकलते हुए। इट इज द सऊदी अरेबिया ऑफ कॉपर, एक चीज नहीं निकली आज तक। अच्छा, चाइना ने बहुत इन्वेस्ट किया है अफगानिस्तान में। टेल मी द नंबर्स। द इन्वेस्टमेंट इज अबाउट 150-160 million dollars इन द लास्ट 20 years। तो हमारे यहाँ पर ना एक वी सडनली थिंक यार चाइना आ गया, चाइना आ गया, पता नहीं हुआ है चाइना जैसे चाइना आ गया। चीनी फॉर वांट ऑफ अ बेटर वर्ड फटती है अफगानिस्तान में जाके, बिकॉज उनको पता नहीं कौन कब हमारे को मार देगा। So I think we need to look at it from that perspective, which is why I'm saying that at the end of the day, America could try many things. Whether it will be able to control the dynamic, I'm not entirely convinced of that.